With the release of the original DJI Avata in 2022, the company redefined the way pilots approached immersive drone flying, offering a combination of speed, agility, and stunning camera capabilities in a compact cinewhoop design. 2 years later, DJI followed up with the Avata 2 in April 2024, improving on stability, flight performance, and camera technology. Now, attention is turning toward the next big release, DJI Avata 3. While the drone has yet to be officially announced, multiple leaks and prototype sightings have sparked excitement among FPV enthusiasts. One of the most exciting rumors surrounding the DJI Avata 3 is its improved imaging system. According to leaks, DJI is preparing to equip this drone with a significantly larger sensor compared to previous models, which is expected to enhance image quality across the board. The new camera will reportedly feature a 1-inch sensor with a resolution of up to 20 megapixels, which is a major jump from the Avata 2's smaller sensor. This upgrade will drastically improve low-light performance, giving pilots the ability to capture crisp, detailed footage even in challenging lighting conditions such as sunrise, sunset, or indoor environments. In addition to the sensor size, the Avata 3 is rumored to support 4K video recording at an impressive 120 frames per second. This will allow for incredibly smooth slow-motion shots, which is something FPV pilots love for cinematic sequences. To complement this, DJI is also expected to include 10-bit D-Log color profile support, enabling advanced color grading options for professional video production. The gimbal system will also see improvements. Sources suggest that the gimbal on the Avata 3 will offer an extended tilt range, giving pilots more creative freedom when composing shots. This could also lead to higher maximum flight speeds without sacrificing horizon leveling, which is crucial for capturing stable and immersive FPV footage during fast maneuvers. While the DJI Avata 3 is rumored to maintain the familiar cinewhoop-style body that has become a trademark of the Avata series, some subtle yet meaningful design changes are expected. Leaked images and early prototypes indicate that DJI may be shifting the battery placement toward the rear of the drone. This change could result in better weight distribution, ultimately improving stability during aggressive flight patterns and reducing vibrations in the footage. Another notable design rumor involves the removal of the iconic orange bumpers that were present in earlier Avata models. The reason for this change appears to be the need for additional internal space to accommodate the larger camera module and new gimbal mechanism. While some enthusiasts might miss the visual pop of color, the refined design may appeal to professionals looking for a more streamlined aesthetic. One of the biggest practical upgrades expected in the DJI Avata 3 is its propeller design. The drone is rumored to feature a 4-blade propeller setup, which is different from the typical 3-blade configuration seen in many FPV drones. This change is not just for looks. It could provide a noticeable improvement in thrust, maneuverability, and noise reduction. 4-blade props generally allow for smoother power delivery and enhanced grip during tight turns, making them ideal for both freestyle flying and cinematic applications. Flight time is another area where DJI appears to be making strides. Thanks to a redesigned battery system, early leaks suggest that the Avata 3 could deliver flight durations of 30 minutes or more. This would be a significant improvement over the Avata 2's average 23-minute flight time, reducing the need for frequent battery swaps and allowing for longer, uninterrupted shooting sessions. For FPV pilots, this is a game changer, as extended flight time means more time to perfect that perfect cinematic line without worrying about running out of power mid-flight. When it comes to transmission technology, DJI has always been ahead of the curve, and the Avata 3 is expected to raise the bar even further. Reports suggest that the drone will feature the company's OcuSync 4 Plus system, an upgraded version of its industry-leading transmission protocol. This enhancement could push the effective range of the Avata 3 to an incredible 30 kilometers under ideal conditions. While most pilots won't fly anywhere near that distance due to regulations, the increased transmission strength translates to a more stable and reliable video feed, even in environments with high interference or complex terrain. Lower latency is another key improvement expected with OcuSync 4 Plus. A near-instant live feed is crucial for FPV flying. And with this upgraded transmission system, pilots can expect a smoother, more responsive experience with minimal delay, even when flying at high speeds. Everything about the Avata 3 points toward a drone built for serious FPV enthusiasts and professional creators. From its aerodynamic refinements to its enhanced flight capabilities, DJI seems determined to deliver a product that appeals to both freestyle pilots and cinematic filmmakers. The 4-blade props, optimized battery placement, and improved stability will make it easier to execute precise maneuvers, whether you're diving skyscrapers or weaving through tight indoor spaces. As for the launch, the company's release history gives us some strong clues. The original Avata launched in September 2022, and the Avata 2 followed in April 2024, approximately 19 months later. If DJI maintains a similar timeline, the Avata 3 could debut between October 2025 and March 2026. Industry insiders speculate that the sweet spot for release will likely fall between November 2025 and January 2026, which would make sense for DJI to capture the holiday season and early-year drone enthusiasts. Pricing remains a mystery, but given the rumored specifications, it's reasonable to expect a premium price point, possibly higher than the Avata 2 due to its improved camera, advanced gimbal, and longer flight time. Whether it will come bundled with the DJI goggles and motion controller or be sold separately is also unknown at this stage, but DJI will likely offer various kit options to cater to different users. The DJI Avata 3 is shaping up to be a major leap forward in FPV drone technology. With a larger sensor, 4K at 120 frames per second video, 10-bit D-Log support, enhanced stability, and a rumored 30-minute flight time, it promises to deliver the perfect blend of power, performance, and cinematic quality. While these details are still based on leaks and speculation, they align with DJI's track record of innovation and continuous improvement. If these rumors hold true, the Avata 3 could very well set a new benchmark for FPV drones, appealing not only to hardcore FPV pilots, but also to filmmakers seeking an immersive, dynamic way to capture breathtaking aerial footage.